toward realizing a carbon-neutral society. The future of the Earth is shaped by the choices we make today. We now stand at a major turning point. To care for the global environment and achieve a more comfortable life, there are things we can do now. Utilizing every available technology, step by step in a sustainable way, we move toward a better future. We create the future of energy with heat pump and thermal storage systems. The heat pumps utilize renewable energy sources like heated air to generate large amounts of thermal energy with minimal input. The thermal storage systems store heat energy for capable use when needed. Both technologies significantly contribute to energy savings and CO2 reduction, making them environmentally friendly. They possess resilience, the ability to utilize stored water for daily use during disasters, and a demand response mechanism to adjust electricity usage during normal times, significantly contributing to renewable energy utilization. The Heat Pump and Thermal Storage Technology Center of Japan, a General Incorporated foundation, was established in 1986 with the aim of developing and promoting heat pump technology. As Japan's only national center, it promotes the use of heat pump and thermal storage systems that support the future through policy proposals and international cooperation. Making energy more efficient and cleaner. Heat pumps and thermal storage possess the power to significantly transform society as a whole, and we are committed to contributing to overcoming societal challenges. For awareness and promotion, we enhance understanding of the mechanisms and benefits of heat pump and thermal storage systems through brochures, exhibitions, videos, etc. For policy advocacy, we provide information on heat pump thermal storage systems to experts, such as university professors and other experts, to relevant ministries and agencies. Through seminars and symposiums, we invite experts and stakeholders involved in implementation cases to introduce the latest technologies and application examples. We also contribute to enhancing the knowledge and networking of those involved in practical work, such as building designers and operation managers. Through technical support and development, we cultivate engineers by providing training sessions and manuals on thermal storage technology. In international activities and joint research, we collaborate with organizations like the IEA, International Energy Agency, to advance research with engineers and researchers worldwide. We actively promote Japan's heat pump and thermal storage technologies internationally, building networks and exchanging information with Asian countries. Heat pump and thermal storage systems lead to energy savings and reduced environmental impact, and can also be used as disaster preparedness measures. As the National Center for Heat Pumps and Thermal Storage, we will continue to consider the future of energy from the perspective of smart heat cycling, future green energy.